Hello.
Hello! Kumusta?
Hi.
So, I'm not sure kung mayroong pa. Ayun, may parking.
Hello, welcome.
Hi.
Sir, Coke Zero na lang po yung ulam.
Hey guys, this is Doc Neo. Welcome back to my vlog. So today is Labor Day. I just woke up. Sarado yung clinic and I want to be able to do more vlogs. Hence, ayan. What do I have planned for today? Actually, wala. I hope I feel better para mamaya makapunta na ako sa Anytime Fitness na gym. They soft opened yesterday and today is supposed to be the activation day. So, I think a lot of people is going or a lot of people are going today. And, yun lang. Join me for my day. Welcome to my vlog. So yun guys, the first order of action natin ay humanap ng pagkain. Kasi since wala si mama, wala nagluto. Let's go. Let's find something to eat. So ayun guys, sarado yung clinic namin. Pero sila Dr. Dentist sa taas ay open. Lock. Ang sipag nila, open sila. Hi!
Saan ang lakay?
Wala, mag-vlog.
Ba't pause ka?
Oo nga. Sarado kami today. Although nag-message na yung Med City, may patient na ako. Mamaya, I figured I see kung sino man yung pasyenteng andito today bago ako umalis. If ever, alis ko. So, yan. Yung holiday, wala masyadong tao. And of course, ang ingat. Wala akong protection. Wala akong nakapagdala ng payong. Kaya naman na tayo na makakainan. Med City. Dito na lang tayo sa Massimo kasi sobrang init. Dito lang may aircon na malapit makainan. Let's pick Massimo. Walang init. Nak. Hello.
Hello! Kumusta?
Hi. Happy Labor Day.
Yes.
So, I think I'll just have breaded pork para madaling kainin. This is my order. That's it.
Obi? Meron dyan Obi. May Obi din dyan.
She needs to do a mammography and she has
May Obi din dyan. May
It's weird that this is not
Si Doktor giving free consult.
I'm shy. No, because a friend of us get
So ayun guys, done with our lunch. Sobrang init. Ewan mo, nag-justify ng video kung gano'ng kainit. But anyway, I'm going back home to prepare because I have patience. So kahit Labor Day, work tayo. Dito nga pala ako nagki-clinic other than my clinic. So this is Med City. Ayan. Manong. Ito nga pala guys, ginagawang to. This is DSWD building. So ako personally excited na akong magawa to. Kasi syempre, madaming mga tao dyan and itong aming square or block will be saturated with patients. I mean, mas madaling makita yung parang medical hub na talaga to. Tapos yun yung katabi namin, St. Patrick's Hospital. Wow, sobrang init! Hey guys, so ayan, ready na ako for clinic. On my scrubs. In my scrubs pala. Ayan. And hindi ko na dadalhin yung camera because bawal din naman mag-video sa loob ng clinic. So, well, hindi man bawal. Pero syempre, we don't want to take pictures of patients. Respecting their privacy. So, ayun. Hopefully, I'm gonna see a few patients. And I'm gonna go back here. And then, what to do? Sana may maisip ako. Ayun, pupunta pala tayong gym. So, i-overview ko sa inyo yung gym at saka parang tour na rin. Okay, bye-bye! So, yun guys, I changed my mind. Dinala ko na rin yung camera dito sa clinic para mas marami tayong ma-content. I just saw one patient and naghintay pa ako kung may darating pa. So, ayun, we're here in a small room kasi pulo ngayon. And problema lang dito, medyo walang aircon, pero may electric fan naman. So, ayun, tambay muna ako saglit and later, pag wala na, we'll go on na rin. Hey guys, meron ako naisip puntahan. Kasi pag pumunta ako ng SM, may nadadaan kami parang bagong mall. Tapos I found out, may nag-post na open na siya. Actually, daanan ko siya kahapon na open na. MF pala siya, Mandaue Foam. So I don't know if it's like a department store, a phone store. So hindi ko na siya i-research and let's just go there and find out. Yeah, may magagawa na tayo mamaya. Bago ako mag-gym. So ayun guys, meron pa rin mga patients kahit holiday and I'm glad that I decided na mag-clinic pa rin. Sayang lang kasi yun nga, sarado kami. Just staff ko ayaw pumasok pero that's very understandable. So, ayun, hintay pa rin ng konti or baka mag-step outside na rin lang ako. Although sobrang init sa labas. Time check, it's almost 2:30. Pero medyo nabobore na rin ako dito so baka lumabas ka rin ako. Bahala na kung saan tayo dalhin ang ating mga paa. Hey guys, I'm on my way to the MF Home Mall or something. Anyway, it's a place near SM. So ito yung daan papuntang SM. Guys, Mandaue entrance. So, I'm not sure kung merong pa. Ayun, may parking. Ay, wala pala. Tingnan na natin, baka makakita tayo ng ating parking. Kung wala, doon tayo sa baba. Okay, parang grand opening ata to yesterday. So ayun guys, nakahanap lang tayo ng magandang parking. So silipin lang natin kung ano yung nasa loob. Kain natin. Malas na lang ba?
Ito yung area na akala ko may restaurant sa labas. Or at least coffee shop. Hindi pala. Ang dami na agad purchases. So let's see what's on the second floor. So this is the second floor. So parang pareho lang yung pagka-setup niya. Kasi there are more sofa sets. Ito yung mga bedroom mock-up. Tapos dun yung bath. Ito yung mga lights. And yung mga plants. And little accents. Flowers. Kitchen needs. Na-realize ko, okay din na if you're looking for pang-regalo, no? I mean, you can never go wrong with furnitures and things na kailangan sa bahay. Tapos this section is for dining tables. Oo naman, it's like easier to choose kapag naka-setup na and makikita mo actually. Like this one. Welcome to the vlog. Ako lang. Kasi naiwan ako eh.
Naiiwan?
Nag-bastion sila lahat. So,
Si Romel naman nasa Walter, iniwanan ako dito. Kasi sabi niya,
na-intriga lang ako. So,
Kaya nga, oo.
sinisilip namin. Ayan. Dinan ko lang. Hindi.
sige po.
Small world. Small Batangas.
Bagong open.
So, itong taas naman more of bedroom. Ang sarap kapag like, nagpapatayo ka ng bahay or you're moving into a new place. Sarap talaga magtingin ng furniture. Tapos this one is yung mga for outdoor garden. And mga poolside tables and chairs. Oh, this. Ito naman guys. The whole thing is 15,000. I remember dati. Sobrang mahal lang mga ganyan. Tapos, office. Ay, actually, naghahanap ako ng chair. Fairness mas mura pa nga ata dito kaysa sa SM. Tapos, yun na-realize ko when you're buying chairs, just go for the simple ones para hindi nasisira. Oh, ang ganda naman ito. Parang sarap umupo. Anyway, so next time pala dito na kapibili pag kailangan. Pag kinailangan. They even have computer chairs or gaming chairs. Ayun, sa taas. And that's it. Yun lang naman. Suggestion ko lang, sana lakasan pa sila yung aircon kasi talo yung init. And also sana may at least coffee shop dito. Pwede magmerienda yung mga tao. So yun guys, dinner ko lang kayo. So yun guys, dahil walang kainan doon, walking distance lang naman to. It's mga favorite restaurant ko dito. Yung Kabir. Ano nga ba yung paborito ko dito? Anyway, let's just see.
Hello, welcome.
Hi.
Hello, welcome. Hello,
Hello,
welcome.
welcome. Ayun guys, too bad, ubos ng samosa. So, in order ko ay... So guys, this is my order. Hummus and strawberry banana shake. Merienda lang naman.
Kapag mapalapit ng mapalapit ang pinag-lapos ng mga hinahanap sa kaling mo kay ganda, mas lalo na tayo bigyan ng ako dalawa na masinsin. Naiintindihan niya kayo. Kaya ito naman ako ng kapag-lapit ng pagkabayan ang pamilya natin.
Sorry guys, busog-lusog. We're done with merienda. Ngayon, ako ay uuwi muna and magpapahinga. Maybe get ako yung kinap. And then, saka tayo mag-gym. So, babalik na tayo dun sa MF. Yan yung SM. So, back to the car.
Hi guys, I'm finally home. And I noticed talagang nawala yung boses ko. I'm feeling okay naman. Hindi naman ako. I felt sick pa last night. Pero ngayon okay ako. Pero pawala yung boses ko. So, it's not a good sign guys. Anyway, I'm home. I'm gonna take a nap. Tapos ano ko lang na may dumating na Shopee order ko. So wala kasi yung screen dito. So problema ko talagang lamok. And I put off lotion palagi. Pero ayun, nakita ko. Sana gumana to guys. So para mga plants, dried herbs and stuff na supposedly ano daw, parang 100 meters. Parang ano yung advertisement na ilang meters around na supposed to drive away those pesky mosquitoes. So babalitaan ko kayo if okay to and then i-share ko yung link if ever okay talaga. So ayun muna. Let's take a nap muna. Oh gosh, grabe yung pagod ko. Take a nap muna. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, time check. It's 8 p.m. Higising ko lang. And guess what? I totally lost my voice. Nakakatawa. Hindi talaga ako magsalita. Ito na yun. Ito yung magbinilit. So, I don't know. Parang bumubulong lang. But, well, I just woke up. I'm full of energy. And gusto ko pa rin, pumunta gym. So, let's still go, okay? Tara. Hey guys, I decided na kumain muna kasi papagaling sa gym. Bilang gutom naman. So, dito lang ako sa may kanto kakain. Samahan niyo ako. Order lang ako ng barbecue tsaka rice para lang meron akong energy or fuel to burn. Ang tahimik, walang tao. Nice. Sarado pala. No choice.
Sir, Coke Zero na lang po yung ulam.
So guys, welcome to Emporio. Ang bagong home ng Anytime Fitness. Ayun, may mga nagja-jogging na or walking. So I guess dito ang daan. for sharing this day with me. Do subscribe and be informed, stay inspired, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.